You have 50 AI tools in your browser tabs. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney, Make, Zapier. Everyone tells you that you need them all. Nobody tells you which one actually matters for your career. Today I show you exactly which 3 AI tools you need in 2026, and why the rest are optional. Welcome back to AI with Zulfi. I am Zulfi. 30 years in tech. I have seen every software trend, every tool explosion, every platform promised to change everything. Most did not. Today I show you which AI tools will actually change your career, and which ones you can safely ignore. Let me start with the truth. You do not need 50 AI tools. You need 3. That is it. 3 tools that do 90% of what you need to succeed with AI in 2026. Everything else is nice to have, not necessary. Here is the breakdown. First, the writing tool. This is your foundation. ChatGPT or Claude. Pick one. I use Claude because it thinks deeper. But honestly, either works. This tool writes your newsletters, writes your emails, writes your scripts, writes your proposals. This is where you spend 80% of your AI time. Conclusion, you need one writing tool. Pick the best one for you and stop looking. Second, the automation tool. Make.com or Zapier. This connects your tools together. When you write something in Claude, Make automatically posts it to LinkedIn. When you get an email, Make automatically saves it to a folder. This tool saves you hours every week by doing the boring connecting work. Without this tool, you are manually copying and pasting between apps. With this tool, everything flows automatically. Conclusion, pick one automation tool and master it. Third, the visual tool. Midjourney for images or CapCut for video editing. If you create visual content, you need one. If you are text only, you skip this. Most professionals need at least basic visuals. Pick one. Master it. Move on. That is it. 3 tools. Writing, automation, visuals. Everything else, ChatGPT plugins, AI video generators, AI presentation tools, these are all nice to have. But they are not necessary for your core work. Now let me tell you what I see happening. People buy subscriptions to 10 different AI tools. They spend 30 minutes learning each one. They master none of them. They get frustrated. They quit. The professionals winning in 2026 are the ones who picked 3 tools and became dangerous with those 3 tools. Not the ones who know a little bit about 20 tools. Here is the pattern I learned in 30 years. Every new technology wave brings tool explosion. In 1994, there were 50 phone systems. Today there are 2, Apple and Android. In 2000, there were 50 web browsers. Today there are 3, Chrome, Safari, Firefox. The same is happening with AI tools right now. Right now we are in the chaos phase. In 2 years, 3 winners will emerge. You do not need to wait. You can pick your 3 now and become an expert. So here is your action plan for this week. First, if you do not have a writing tool, sign up for Claude or ChatGPT. Spend 1 hour. Write something. Anything. Get comfortable. Second, watch one tutorial on Make.com. 10 minutes. Learn how to connect 2 apps. Third, if you create visuals, pick Midjourney or CapCut and generate 1 image or edit 1 video. That is your week. 3 simple steps. By the end of this week you will have a foundation in 3 tools. By the end of next month you will be dangerous with these 3 tools. By the end of this quarter you will be creating things most people think require hiring an agency. I am Zulfi. 30 years in tech. I have watched tool explosions 3 times. The winners are always the ones who pick their tools early and master them deeply. If I can do it, you absolutely can too. See you in the next one.